Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, September the 21st, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and the last one I will do is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 52113. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But for 4-star Sudoku, or Sudoku, well, in this case, Tectonic, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here can be a 1 because we have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here we have also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2, so 1 digit left should be the 2. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. More quadra boxes here. A quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. All right, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Well, here another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. All right. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw this L shape here. This is mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. We have another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. More L shapes. Let me see. No, that's all. Yes. Oh, yeah. This one I've already. We have 3 of them. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Only 2 out of 6. Yes, maximum are 6 shapes, figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. So the 1 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that those two boxes can be 2 and a 4. We have a double 2 there and double 4 there. If I place a 2 here or a 4 here, I cannot fill any 2 or any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. This box can be 2. Sorry, this box can be 5. This box can be 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, it should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, it should be there, so 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4... could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 4. So that means that I cannot place a 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. Oh, these 3 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it's not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4 here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. These. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4, it could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Oh, wait. Can it be 1 and more? This box should be a 3. Almost made a mistake. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be here. So two numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Well, let me see. This box can be a 4. Those two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. It's taking too long now. Thinking. 2, 5, come on. Well, I think, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box, will be also a 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. And is connected with that box should be also a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can also not be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So if I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. A 3 and a 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 4 stars. Well, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the Binus, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.